Tell me. Okay, reminder, we've established that the spinal cord, proprioception travels ipsilateral to its source. Pain, temperature have already crossed and are traveling contralateral. Once we get up to the brain, meaning the medulla and anything above that point, everything is contralateral. So the proprioception is now contralateral. The pain has been and will be contralateral. Let's very quickly see where these would appear in a cross-section through the pons and in a cross-section through the midbrain, and we'll be done with this story. So if I made a cross-section through the pons, and I'm going to label these now because it's going to get busy here. So that was the medulla. I'm going to go out here and add a pons. Just a big round base. There will be a fourth ventricle and some cerebellum up here. When we're in the pontine base and we're looking for these sensory, here's a quick and dirty. All the motor tracts are more anterior, and all the sensory tracts are more posterior, bearing in mind that this is the part we're dealing with, the pons. Up here is cerebellum. Let's locate the medial lemniscus, which began in the medulla and is going to travel to the thalamus. At the level of the pons, it's kind of interesting. It starts out oriented up and down like this, and it's going to turn like that. So at the level of the pons, it's located like that. That's where those axons are. There's another one over here. And remember I said the pain started out anterolateral and it stays lateral? It's still out here lateral. So you can kind of think of the medial lemniscus as rolling out to meet the pain pathway. What's it look like at the midbrain? Remember midbrain, anterior up, we've got a colliculus and a colliculus. We've got a cerebral peduncle and a cerebral peduncle and an aqueduct. Again, motor tracts are down anterior, sensory or more posterior. This medial lemniscus that started out oriented this way and has rotated horizontal is still rotating. So when it gets up to the midbrain, it's kind of up here. And the spinothalamic tract, the pain tract, is still sitting right at the edge of it. And that's how we got all the way up through the top of the midbrain. From here, you're going straight into the thalamus. And you're done.